currently walking, enjoying life, you know. They already have Christmas lights everywhere, looking all gorgeous. Hey everyone, welcome back. Dobrodošli. I'm so excited to be here today. It's actually Halloween, so happy Halloween everyone. Hence the black lipstick. Trying to get in the spirit. So today I decided to make a video, a little review. I want to do a review on some lashes, but before I start my video, I want to thank everyone for the support. I am so overjoyed with all the support I've been getting. It means so much to me. I'm super excited to be here. I am so happy to have everyone supporting me the way that they have. My friends and my family, y'all mean so much to me, and this is just gonna be a fun journey, and I'm so happy that everyone is joining me on it. So first things first, can we appreciate this highlight? Like, it's beautiful, and I need to give a shout out to Carly Bible. I use Carly Bible's palette that she came out with BH Cosmetics. This is what it looks like inside. Very beautiful. I used this and this, and I mixed them together to get this beautiful glow. So I definitely recommend this. It's gorgeous. It's hot. And please don't forget, if you like this video, to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll mean so much to me. I won't let y'all down. I'm gonna keep making more videos. I plan on making videos every week, probably posting them around Thursday nights, so we'll see. You know, I'm still working on that, but that is the goal. Now to the video. I am going to be doing a review on these Kiss lashes. They are the FALSCARA. So this is what it looks like. So this is the starter kit, and in here you get lashes, you get the bond and the seal, and then you get the applicator. This kit came all together, it was about $18.50, so $18.50 at HEB. You can buy these products separately. I also did get two other lashes that go with it. This is the volumizing ones, and these are the lifting ones, and then the ones that come in the kit are the lengthening ones. So these are, I think, originally around $7, but HEB did have them on sale for $5, so I went ahead and bought both. Everyone loves a good sale. As you can clearly see, I have my whole face put on. I just want to show the application process. So I'm gonna put these on for you guys, and supposedly it's supposed to be very easy to put on, so we're gonna see how easy that is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But for sure I am gonna check in back later and let you guys know like how they've lasted. So right now it is about 3 p.m. so let's go ahead and get these on. You can take it out, it's like this. So here's the applicator, and then the bond and seal, and then the lashes. And I mean, clearly these aren't like dramatic lashes or anything. I think it's more of like a classic look. Kind of wear it as like an everyday thing, you know, since they're so simple, and they're very soft, which I like. So I'm excited to try them. Oh, you can actually take them out like this. Let's get started. Okay, so I brought y'all as close as I could. I'll try to like go in like this a little bit closer so you guys can see everything I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my left eye, then I'll probably do my other eye off camera. So they say the first thing to do is bond your lashes. So let's go ahead and bond them. This is what it looks like. Very tiny little brush. I'm just gonna bond. But it does for sure feel sticky. So, alright. I got some on my bottom lash. It's okay. I'm gonna start taking off the lashes and applying them. Honestly, I don't even know how to use this. Like this. And they say to put them underneath your lashes. Do I need to use this hand? I'm so confused right now. Y'all. I'm so confused. Okay, hold on. We're gonna figure this out. I think I need to use this side. Oh, this is hard. They lied. Or I'm just like clueless. It's so hard, y'all, that I'm
literally sweating right now.
really kiss. This is why I said I don't like y'all.
This is really hard. It's wet.
I think I got it on, but I don't know. These are hard to take off of the thing too. Like every time I peel it off, they get all messed up. Like, look at that gap. I'm not happy right now. But I feel like my eyelashes, I feel them sticking together. I don't like it. So far, 0 stars. Unless I'm just not knowing how to do this. I think I'm getting somewhere. I mean, it looks pretty natural. Okay, got 2 more left. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I got this last lash to put on. I'm trying to like look in this mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing, so I don't poke myself in the eye. And you're supposed to put it all like on your lashes. Like stick it to your lashes, not your skin. And maybe I did that. I'm hoping I did that. You see? I mean, they are pretty lengthening. I just pulled one out. Oh my gosh. It's the one I was having the most trouble with too. It's because there's little glue stuck on it from the plastic, and that's what keeps getting stuck. And I just pulled a chunk of lash out. Oh my gosh. Ignore that. Buddy, get on my eye. I know you want to. Yeah, this does not seem like it's gonna last, to be honest. Maybe I just need to put more bond on this little part right here where it came off. Let's try this again with the same lash. Now, I've never even gotten eyelash extensions. I do plan on getting some soon. I'm really excited. So I can't like fully compare like 2 eyelash extensions because I haven't experienced it. But we'll see how this does. So I think I got them on. Now I'm gonna get the seal, which is the other end, and this one's white. brush. I don't do that on camera. And you just wisp it underneath all the lashes together. What do y'all think? I mean, it's okay. Okay, let me put the other one on and then I will talk to you guys. I'm back. I am frustrated, you guys. I'm so sweaty. This was not fun. This was literally not fun. Okay, I struggled with this right here, this inner corner, this last lash. I look silly because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. This last lash right here in the inner corner makes me want to throw all this away. That was so hard. It clumps up your lashes. It's basically, the bond is like a glue. It makes it really sticky, and it kept sticking to my actual lashes, so my natural lashes were sticking to each other, which I don't like, and it kind of like made it look clumpy. But this inner one right here, it's like about to fall off because I have like 3 eyelashes in my inner corner, so it's like holding on for dear life, and it was so hard to put them on there. I'm just not liking it, but this is what it looks like. So it did add length, which looks really pretty. Like, they do look like natural lashes, especially because you put them underneath your real lashes. But it goes right underneath your real lashes, so it gives you that more natural look. But they do add nice glam. I mean, if you're looking for that subtle look, not too much, not too little, I think these can work. I mean, they are pretty. Like, when I'm looking at myself right now, they are pretty. And I think I'm like just really bothered by this eyelash right here in the inner corner. I don't like the way it looks. It just looks so goofy, but it's okay. Learning process. We sat here together and we learned how to do it, so that's that. I am gonna wear these throughout the day and kind of see how they last, if they last. But this is the final look, my little Halloween look. So I'll be back in a few hours to check in with you guys, and we shall see how this lasts, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so a little update for you guys. It's been about 2 hours, and the lashes, they're still on. I wanted to mention that they're actually super comfortable. Like, I know usually when I wear false lashes, they're like, they bother me a little bit, and it's kind of like makes my eyes watery, but these feel so natural. I think because they're put underneath that, like, honestly, I don't even feel like I have anything, like I'm wearing anything. It's okay, it looks pretty. So I will be back, stay tuned.
Hey everyone, I'm back with a quick update. It is currently 7:15 and these lashes are still on. Been walking around, they're very comfortable. I like them, and yeah, so far so good. I'll check back in later.
Hey everyone, okay, so we're back. I'm currently in the bathroom. It's like 11:30 p.m. and eyelashes are on. And they look really cute. I've actually been debating if I want to leave them on and kind of like, I don't know, see how long they'll last. But at the same time, I just know, like, the way I sleep and like I love washing my entire face, that I don't know if it'll work for me. So I think I've decided that I'm gonna take them off for the day. I do think that they can last longer, because I mean, they're just so comfortable. I do not feel like I'm wearing like false lashes or anything. Like, I just feel like they're so natural. I came to the conclusion and I like them. Like, good job, Kiss. Like, y'all did a good job. But I would definitely give them 5 stars. Good job. Y'all, they're great. I will be using this more often. I'm about to take these off. They did say any oil-free remover will work, so I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm gonna start with taking off the rest of my face. So let me take my face off and then I will come back here and take the lashes off on camera. So stay tuned. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I took off my makeup. I also kind of wanted to show y'all what it looks like if you were to just put these lashes on and not wear makeup at all. I think it looks gorgeous. Like, it adds like a little extra. You can definitely wear them with no makeup if you just want to give a little boost to your look, to your natural look. You can definitely do without it. Let's see how they're gonna be taking off. If it's gonna be easy, if it's gonna take some time, but let's see how this process will be. Hopefully it's easier than putting them on. It just looks so pretty, y'all. Okay, so put my hair back. Y'all, I gotta get my eyebrows done. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Garnier, and this one right on here says no oil, no fragrance, and I'm gonna use it on one of these cotton pads. So hold it on over the lash. They say hold it on for, I don't know how long. I think it said like a minute or so. So let's hold. Please wait. Does anything happen? Oh, okay. I don't know how much I like this. Just like pulling them out like this is kind of scary. It's like weird pulling on your lashes, but they're coming off. Let's hold it down for a little more. And they're off. And now I'm just gonna wipe the excess. So you can tell I still got that bond stuff because they're like spider legs. But I think that falls off because you can see little like, so it's off. Once again, I'll show y'all the difference. My lashes, Kiss lashes, but they came right off. Here are my little lashes. But you can tell like it still has that bond stuff on them. It looks like there's like mascara left on them, but that'll wash off. I know it will, but those lashes, y'all, make a difference. Like, give me now. Let me show y'all what they look like once you take them off. They're actually very clean and look nice. So here are the lashes once I took them off, and they actually look really good still. Like, you could definitely reuse them. I'm just gonna clean them up a little and brush them out. Definitely still reuse them. Like, they look good. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I did enjoy filming it. It was a lot of fun. You know, my first review. Definitely do want to make more of those. Hopefully this review helps some of y'all. I will definitely give it 5 stars. I think it's worth it. That starter kit was, like I said, about $18.50, and you get a pair of lashes, you get the bond and seal, and you get the applicator. I think it's a good deal. And they're also reusable lashes, so you can use them over and over again. They look really great. I like them, but I do recommend them. I will practice putting them on, you know, maybe next time it will be better. But overall, I think it's a great product, and I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down there. Please show some love. Thank y'all so much, and I cannot wait to see y'all again in the next video. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.